Alright, here we had a Chronicles Battle Cat from the new movie Masters of the Universe. I told y'all right offhand, Battle Cat was going to my Masterverse figures strictly. I'm not collecting that He-Man. Not unless it's the Origins joint. I'm gonna get the Origins. If they all come out in Origins, then I want them. But other than that, I'm not getting it. Check out the eyes on this thing. Look how they move. Look how the eyes go with the camera. Look how the eyes is following the camera. Look. Everywhere I move, it's gonna move. Look. Up, look. Down, side, side. It really moves. Now, this thing fits. Check it out. Even though it's skinny compared to these lions and my other battle cats and stuff, it still fits in here real good. The size, the weight, he just shaped like a real cat. Look at his eyes, I tell you. See them? His teeth, he got the teeth that go up and down. Like this panther, the only thing, he don't got the teeth in the middle. Like this. It's not the same head sculpt at all. Look at his eyes. It's not the same head sculpt. Completely different. Completely different. See his teeth? Look at the middle. See how his teeth drop in, go in, drop down? He don't have no middle teeth. Because he's a panther. He's a tiger. See his eyes move? Look. His eyes go everywhere where it's gonna go. His feet is big. He got 5 toenails and he got 4. This is tough. Got the pink nose. And he look like he ain't playing. Yeah, he do. He look tough. He look tough. I want another one. That's how tough he looked to me. I love the way he looked. They killed this. Yeah, they killed this. And I think he fit on it perfect. He fit on it perfect. That shit, this thing go well with the Masterverse. Yep. Can go well with the Masterverse. Yeah, it do. It go well. Yeah, it go well with the Masterverse. Yep. He's shorter than him, but he's taller. He's slender. He's a slender build, like a real cat. But he tough. He tough as hell. He tough. And he got more articulation too. He look good. Put my He-Man up there. I can't do that that movie He-Man right there. He's a good figure, all of that, but they too little. I can't rock out with them. They too small. That Trap Jaw, he tall. I want him. He fit in good with the Masterverse. Anyone that come out and they fit in with the Masterverse, as far as height, I'm buying them. Yeah, I'm gonna buy them. But they gotta fit in. If that He-Man fit in, he's a good He-Man. But he just don't fit in. He too small. I don't need him. Nah, I don't need him. He don't fit. He don't fit for my for what I got going on. That's all. For my liking, what I got. He don't fit for what I got going on. That's all. Yeah, this is tough. This mask don't really stay on. You just put it like that and let it sit on his face. And that's basically it. Look good. Like I said, if you ain't get this and you in the He-Man and everything, go pick him up. He gonna go perfect with what I got going on. Alright, go pick him up. He gonna go perfect. What I got going on. Trust me. Perfect. It look good. Alright. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.